This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Nakajingwan tur ka Confederation of Meghalaya Social Organizations Komso hakmat ka kerdop jang secretariat dang hakini ki kendiat kenta ki baladam bandawa ya ka inline permit ILP ha ka jela kala penlong yo ba polling do menteri ka Sorkar MDA2 ban kren AA halor kani haba kren sikilat pathai khubor ha ka khat lai tri ujlio araja arpusan uba polling do uloong kar kontre kam ka Sorkar bamenta ka long ka biang palat da ka bay nujor ba kimpat don kinu ki Sorkar ki bala lejno ban la kumbala kani ka Sorkar bamenta nalor kata uloong bagi Sengbhalang ki deban ai ke jing Shaniah ka ka Sorkar namar makiru ki don ya Kajuh ke Jingthmu kata ban syakri ya ki ba.
Well, we have a government that is performing and above all is performing very well. No government in the past has ever had the kind of performance that we are having, and therefore the NGOs, the protesters, should have faith in this government. We are in this together. Let us all combine our forces and energy, move towards the same goal, because we are all here to serve the interest of the people of Meghalaya.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ai ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya